All right, another unboxing. It's number 2 for the day. I gotta crank them out while I have free time. I've been sitting on these boxes for the past week, so I'm happy to get them open finally. We just did the blunt toe. Now we're doing the running vest Crocs. I actually ordered these like over Christmas break, and I got them on this Complex website, which I had never shopped from before. My bank actually blocked the transaction because they weren't familiar with the website. I had to call and verify the transaction to go through on my Visa. And then email Complex to make sure that they didn't lose the order, and they were still processing it for like a couple weeks even after I ordered it. So they finally got it processed and it shipped, because I wasn't sure if they were a legit company, if they were a legit website, because I had no exposure to them prior to this order. But the box is here, so we'll see if there's a pair of Crocs inside. And if there is, then Complex is a legit website. So far, so good. So I had come across these on Extra Butter New York maybe a month or two ago. And they were they were a little pricey for a pair of Crocs. They were at that $80 price point. Same thing with those blunt toes. So I kept an eye out, and they eventually went on sale. But I had found them, I think they're on sale on the Extra Buttery, or they might be full price again. But I found them on this Complex website at the time, and they had them listed for $40. So I bit the bullet and ordered them up. So check out the tag, Classic Energy Running Vest, and I got them in the black. There was some other site that had them, but they only had them in my size in this like off-white color. So when I saw them in the black on the Complex, I went ahead and ordered them. So far everything looks pretty legit, so I'd say Complex is a true site to order from. I haven't checked them out since I bought these off of them. I should get back on there and see what they have on sale. This box is coming undone. I think it's just the glue. Yeah, just the glue. But everything looks legit so far. So I was kind of curious about these. I didn't know what the upper was going to be all about. It feels like this is all just laid on top of a normal Croc. That tread is kind of nice. It's a little more aggressive. You see there's all these little bumps on top of the standard tread. It feels like it's a different rubber material too. It's not the Cross-Lite. This whole tread thing is an insert. Same thing back here. This is actual. All right, sorry for the interruption. My phone ran out of memory. I didn't realize it had stopped recording. So as I was saying, I checked where it left off. I was talking about these rubber inserts. It's more of an aggressive tread pattern to it. It's not just the standard Cross-Lite material either. It's this rubber. Let me adjust the camera. It's this rubber insert. This whole front section and this heel section is a different material than the Cross-Lite. And then going on the top, this is like a mesh overlay. It seems to have some elastic straps right here, like a rib cage with the elastic to keep this mesh down. And then underneath it, there appears to be like a nylon. If you pull this back, so this is all just a superficial visual thing. Then there's kind of a nylon shell underneath. That's kind of reminiscent of the running vest. It's kind of an unusual inspiration. So this is just a sheath over top. I kind of like the toe cap too. Goes around. There's a strap, little band there. It's that same nylon that's underneath. These appear to be reflective. That little triangle and that stripe there, they're kind of reflective. That's akin to the running vest thing. Let's see. So I was mentioning as the video got cut off, these remind me of the Peely Crocs, the Fortnite Peely Crocs. So it just has that sheath over top. I never got those, but just this has a Peely feel to it. You can unzip it and peel it back, which is kind of like, what's the point? I don't know. Just to play. And then there's kind of a polyester nylon, very soft, thin material underneath. Kind of reminds me of like a t-shirt. So there's your running vest. You got a little collar. These are weird. But the mesh is kind of cool. Let's zip our vest back up. So let's take a look at the strap. I really like these straps. Anytime Crocs put these more like these all-terrain-esque straps on them, I'm a fan. This feels like a rubber padding on the back, and then we've got a Velcro strap and like a canvas strap, and then try to move that. I know. Let's unstrap these. Hopefully I can get these back on. I don't know. This gets fat right here. It doesn't really want to slide off, so it kind of remains captured. The strap. Okay, back to the video. My settings got all messed up when I was setting up these microphones, and apparently I was only recording in 1080, so it's now in 4K. Hopefully there's not an issue there. All right, I think I was talking about the strap. Velcro, nylon, rubber, adjustable, captured. And it appears to just be all overlaid on a standard Croc. So I wasn't sure how the top of this was going to be. Here, I got a headlamp here. I can try to shine in there so you can see that it's just a standard Croc inside. So everything about this particular model is all exterior, because we just have a standard Croc, standard black Croc. You got your gibbet holes, your basic front with the water ventilation, standard Croc footbed, though it doesn't say Crocs on the actual footbed, which I guess your standard Croc does not. So everything about this Croc is just all superficial. It's all surface. Though the strap is functional, I should say. This is all just kind of visual surface thing. So they're kind of cool. Oh, and this is structural functional too, having the tread on the bottom. So running vest Crocs. I don't know if they're geared towards running. That's why there's the extra tread on the bottom. That's why there's the reflector strips on the top, or if this is just a fun visual thing. It kind of has that impression, huh? I do like it though. It's different. It's unique. Definitely looks different. So we'll throw them on foot. Hopefully the phone doesn't run out of memory. The video quality looks a little better though. I think I've got my settings better than they were initially. So we'll see. But yeah, they're pretty cool. We'll throw them on foot, see how they fit. All right. Take off the Ukuzis. Throw these on. The fit seems to be true. These feel like a pair of 12s. That strap is nice. That back strap is nice. These don't look like Crocs. I guess that's one thing they got going for them. If you think Crocs are ugly looking, with all the gibbet holes and stuff, these don't look like Crocs. The comfort standard. I can feel that that rubber insert, that rubber tread underfoot. More so on the heel than I do the toe area. There's a little more firmness under heel than there is typically with your standard Cross-Lite Croc. I'm guessing that that rubber pad on the heel traction's a little thicker than the one up top. It's just not allowing the heel to compress as much. It's kind of akin to the Atlas. I just noticed when I walk around in the Atlas, there's a different feel of compression underfoot, having that rubber underneath. And this is kind of giving that impression too. It's just not as soft when I step down, but it has a little more of a shoe feel to it tactically underfoot as you step and you walk. It feels a little more like a shoe. But the comfort though is identical to your standard Crocs in terms of like the footbed and the way my foot lays in. It feels like I have a normal pair of Crocs on, just that the walking sensation is a little different. It feels a little firmer with that rubber underfoot. But I could see these actually being more functional for walking long distance. They have a little more of a performance feel, you could say, which is kind of interesting. I dig it. Here, let me get a down low action shot on these real quick. You know, these are never the best pants to wear with these because of the baggy ankle on them. I'll try to hold it up so it's not covering. These definitely have a little more of a sporty performance feel to them, which is kind of interesting. And you might actually be able to run in these. If they were ever to design like a running Croc, these are kind of leaning in that direction. Like if I was going for a walk and I wasn't shooting a specific video and I had to pick a pair of Crocs to put on foot, like these would probably be my go-tos. These are nice. I dig them. I don't really have much more to say about them. I kind of like them. I'm glad I got them. For me, that's always a big point with these purchases, whether or not I'm happy that I made the purchase, and with these I am. These are pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. These are probably gonna be my my go-to walking Crocs. They got the all-terrain strap going on. They got the additional traction on the bottom. I don't know how necessary all this stuff is on the top, but I appreciate that tread, that added tread. I'm guessing that's the same tread they put on like the bistros or like the work shoes, the non-slip traction tread, because that definitely has some good traction to it. It probably is. I've never purchased a pair of those, but maybe I should get one to make a video on them. Get the bistros, but it's kind of that tread, that non-slip tread. Yeah, these are pretty cool though. Pretty cool, man. Not too bad. I dig them, Crocs. Good job. All right, we'll wrap up this video. I can't think of anything else I need to say about these. I'll make another addition if something comes to mind as I'm editing this material, but these are pretty cool. I like these. I like having that extra traction on the bottom. And they don't look like Crocs, like I mentioned. If you want a pair of Crocs, if you want a pair of low-key Crocs, so that you can wear them, but nobody knows that you're wearing a pair of Crocs, these are your low-key Crocs. These are pretty cool. So definitely unique, definitely another unique offering. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment on your experiences with the running vest low-key Croc. And I guess we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.